Hello, dear students. Standard 10, chapter number 11, Yasya Jananam Tasya Maranam. In India, there is one tradition to give moral through the stories. And same like here, in this story, there are two characters, namely Vittadas and Kutanath. Vittadas is greedy and Kutanath is a master of deceit. Now let's see the story. Hello dear students, standard 10 chapter number 11, Yasya Jananam Tasya Maranam. अस्ति वित्तदासो नाम प्रभूतलोभः समृद्धः कश्चिद् वणिक्जनः. There was a rich merchant named Vittadas who was very greedy. तस्य कूटनाथाभिधः वैश्यः प्रातिवेशिकः आसीत्. He has one neighbor who was also a merchant and whose name is Kutanath. एकदा कूटनाथेन चिन्तितं यत् अयं वित्तदासः धनिकोऽपि लुब्धो वर्तते. Once a time, Kutanath thought that this Vittadas is greedy in spite of being rich. अतः केनापि उपायेन मया असौ वञ्चनीयः. So, anyhow, I want to deceive him. एवं विचार्य सः कूटनाथः एकदा वित्तदासस्य गृहम् उपगम्य अकथयत्. So after thinking like that, he, Kutanath, once went to home of Vittadas and said, भो श्रेष्ठिन्, अस्माकं बहवः कुटुम्बीजनाः श्वः अतिथयः भविष्यन्ति. O rich merchant, tomorrow many of our relatives will be come to my home and will become guests. तेषामर्थे भोजनादि निर्माणाय कानिचित् पात्राणि कृपया मह्यं यच्छतु. And for them, please give me some utensils for preparing food. परश्वः तानि प्रत्यर्पयिष्यामि and I will return day after tomorrow. प्रातिवेशिकधर्मभावेन वित्तदासः कूटनाथाय पात्राणि प्रायच्छत्. And as a sense of neighbor, as a duty of neighbor, Vittadas give utensils to Kutanath. पात्रोपयोगावसाने कूटनाथः पात्राणि प्रत्यर्पयितुं वित्तदासस्य गृहम् अगच्छत्. And after the completion of use, Vittadas went to home of Vittadas to give return those utensils. तैः पात्रैः सह कूटनाथः अन्यानि कानिचित् लघूनि नूतनानि पात्राणि अपि तत्र स्थापितवान्. Kutanath put some new utensils with those utensils. लघूनां नूतनानां पात्राणां दर्शनेन विस्मितः वित्तदासः कूटनाथम् अपृच्छत्. Vittadas became surprised after seeing new utensils and asked to Kutanath, भो वयस्य एतानि पात्राणि मम न सन्ति. O dear friend, these utensils are not mine. कूटनाथः अकथयत्. Kutanath said, मित्र, friend, यानि पात्राणि भवता दत्तानि तानि मम गृहे रात्रौ प्रसूतानि. Those utensils have to given me, they have given birth to new utensils at night at my home. एतानि लघूनि नूतनानि पात्राणि भवतः पात्राणाम् अपत्यानि सन्ति and these new small utensils are the young ones of your utensils. अपत्यरूपेण नूतनानि पात्राणि सम्प्राप्य वित्तदासः प्रसन्नः जातः. Vityadas became very happy after getting new utensils in the form of young ones. व्यतीतेषु कतिपयेषु दिवसेषु कूटनाथः पुनरपि वित्तदासं पात्रार्थं प्रार्थयत. After some days passed, Kutanath again requested to Vityadas for some utensils. प्रदत्तेभ्यः पात्रेभ्यः अपि अधिकानां पात्राणां लाभो भविष्यति इति दुर्मत्या प्रेरितो वित्तदासः तस्मै सर्वाणि इष्टानि पात्राणि दत्तवान्. Now Vityadas prompted that, wrong thinking, there would be gain of even more utensils. Then the utensils given gave him whatever utensils whichever they want that Kutanath desired, that given by Vityadas. व्यतीतेपि एकमासे यदा कूटनाथः पात्राणि न प्रत्यर्पयितवान् तदा चिन्तामापन्नः वित्तदासः कूटनाथगृहं गत्वा स्वकीयानि पात्राणि अयाचत. Even a month passed, but Kutanath did not came to home of Vityadas. So Kutanath reached to home of Vityadas and asked about his utensils. Kutanathah sashokam akathayat. Kutanath said, Bhavatah sarvani patrani mrutani. Your utensils are died. Vityadasah kopavishtaha san akathayat. Vityadas became angry and said, Evam katham bhavet? How it happen? Bho vanchaka, are o cheater, tvam mithyavadasi. You are telling a lie. Nirjivanam patranam maranam katham sambhavati. Utensils are inanimate things. So how can they be died? Kutanathah धैर्यम अवलंब्य शांतवचसा अवदत. Kutanath said with courage, महोदय, great person, यदि पात्राणां जन्म भवति तर्हि तेषां मरणमपि भवति. If the birth of utensils can be done, then the death also. पूर्वं जातानि पात्राणि भवतः गृहे विलसन्ति. Those utensils born earlier are in your house. यानि पात्राणि भवद्भिः दत्तानि तानि मम गृहे मृतानि. Now those utensils that given by you, all those utensils died in my house. तत्र अहं किं कर्तुं समर्थः? Now say, what can I do? पश्य, see. जन्म भवति पात्राणां मरणे संशयः कथं जगति यत् समुत्पन्नं नश्यति सर्वथा ध्रुवम्. In this world, whatever is produced surely gets destroyed. So like this, the birth of utensils take place. So what about thinking about their death? That means if anything is produced in this world, so it's destroyed is also definite. Thank you.